How to enable two-factor authentication in NinjaTrader. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to enable the two-factor authentication in NinjaTrader application, so let's get started. First of all, open up your NinjaTrader app on your device and log into your account. Here I've been logged into my demo account. Once you're logged into the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the icon, which can be a blue button or something else. Tap on that, and then from the expanded menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Security, and you'll see Two-Factor Authentication button. Toggle on the switch right underneath it. Now enter the password for your NinjaTrader account on the next page. Finally, click Enable, and you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your NinjaTrader app. Now the two-factor authentication is active. Whenever you try to log in from new device or browser, you will require an additional email confirmation. So that's it. There you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.